Hi, it's Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer. I'm one of the Canva champions. Last week I recorded on the Canva Brand Kit and how you set it up. I did originally go on to show you how to use the Brand Kit, but it was becoming a not very quick tip. So I decided to split the video up, and this week you now have how to use your Canva Brand Kit. And I'll go back to my Canva screen and the second part of my original recording. What I'm now going to do is create a design. I think I'll do an Instagram post, and I'll show you how easy it is to use your Brand Kit. I'm going to use a template to demonstrate how you can use your Brand Kit. I'm going to scroll down to make sure I find one that has got a reasonable amount of text on, so I can show you how we can change the text. Let's have a look at the news ones. Okay, so let's go from here. If you move down the left-hand side of your design screen, you'll come across Codot, and this will give you access to the logos in your Brand Kit. If you can't find it, you may have to go further down and look under more if you've never used it before. But obviously I have. We can just click there, and you can see here are all my logos. I can upload more if I need to. And one of the things I will do on the bottom of this one, and I'll add the logo, Be Your Own Graphic Designer, with the wording in white. I'll pull that to the bottom. I need to adjust it slightly in size and center it. So I've now just added my logo very simply to this. I'm now going to change the text to one of the fonts that I use. I'm going to click on that, and I drop that down. It's come up with my recently used text, but it's also come up with my Be Your Own Graphic Designer text. And I'm going to change this to Architect's Daughter. And I might change this one to Century Gothic. And I can go to this one. I can change that one to Century Gothic Bold. You can see just how easy it is to change your text once they've been added to your Brand Kit. Now if I want to change the color, it's the same thing. I will click on the color tab up here, and it has all my Be Your Own Graphic Designer colors. So if I want to change that to the blue, if I want to change the color of the font, then I could change this to this color. And if I want to change this symbol here, I could change that to match. You can see how just with a very few clicks, using my Brand Kit, I've changed the look and feel of that template quite significantly. It's not what I particularly want to use, but I just thought it would be a good example. It is mainly a Canva Pro feature now, and I will put a link below the video where you'll be able to try Canva Pro for free for 45 days. So you can experiment with how easy it is to use your Brand Kit and how much quicker it will make designing your images. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.